Hello and welcome to Job Crackers. Today we are going to do top 20 MCQs on accounting concepts. I request you to please subscribe the channel and like the video. Question first is, which accounting concept assumes that a business will continue operating for the future? A. Money measurement concept. B. Going concern concept. C. Cost concept. D. Matching concept. Correct answer is option B. Going concern. Question second. According to the business entity concept, the owner and business are treated as A. One legal entity, B. Separate accounting entities, C. Joint entities, D. Government entities. Correct answer is option B. Separate accounting entities. Question third. Which concept requires recording only those events that can be expressed in monetary value? A. Going concern, B. Devil aspect, C. Money measurement, D. Cost. Correct answer is option C. Money measurement. Question 4. The cost concept states that assets should be recorded at A. Market value, B. Historical cost, C. Replacement cost, D. Net realizable value. Correct answer is option B. Historical cost. Question 5th. Which accounting concept is based on the principle that every transaction has two effects? A. Matching, B. Business entity, C. Dual aspect, D. Going concern. Correct answer is option B. Dual aspect. Question 6. Which concept ensures that expenses are matched with revenues? A. Prudence, B. Matching, C. Cost, D. Money measurement. Correct answer is option B. Matching. Question 7. Which concept requires accounting methods to remain the same from year to year? A. Materiality, B. Consistency, C. Cost, D. Going concern. Correct answer is option B. Consistency. Question number 8. A revenue should be recognized when it is A. Collected in cash, B. Earned, C. Deposited, D. Approved. Correct answer is option B. Earned. Question 9. The conservatism concept suggests A. Record anticipated profits, B. Ignore losses, C. Anticipate no profits but provide losses, D. Record all estimated profits. Correct answer is option C. Question number 10. Which concept requires disclosure of all material facts? A. Full disclosure, B. Business entity, C. Cost, D. Going concern. Correct answer is option A. Full disclosure. Question number 11. Which concept supports charging depreciation? A. Going concern, B. Cost, C. Dual aspect, D. Materiality. Correct answer is option A. Going concern. Question number 12. Salaries outstanding at year end are recognized due to A. Cash, B. Accrual, C. Cost, D. Materiality. Correct answer is option B. Accrual. Question number 13. Which concept ignores transactions not measurable in money? A. Prudence, B. Money measurement, C. Matching, D. Consistency. Correct answer is option B. Money measurement. Question 14. Internally generated goodwill is generally not recorded because of A. Money measurement, B. Going concern, C. Cost, D. Matching. Correct answer is option A. Money measurement. Question 15. Which concept treats drawings as a reduction of capital? A. Business entity, B. Cost, C. Going concern, D. Prudence. Correct answer is option A. Business entity. Question number 16. Which concept is associated with preparing annual financial statements? A. Accounting period, B. Cost, C. Matching, D. Prudence. Correct answer is option A. Accounting period. Question 17. The accounting period concept divides business life into A. Departments, B. Financial periods, C. Product lines, D. Segments. Correct answer is option B. Financial periods. Question number 18. Which concept is status insignificant items need not strictly follow accounting principles? A. Materiality. B. Consistency. C. Due respect. D. Cost. Correct answer is option A. Question number 19. Recording prepaid insurance as an asset is based on A. Accrual. B. Matching. C. Business entity. D. Prudence. Correct answer is option A. Question number 20. Which concept forms the foundation of the accounting equation? A. Cost. B. Dual aspect. C. Prudence. D. Materiality. Correct answer is option B. Dual aspect.